Isn't a struggle sometimes trying to figure out which prop firm truly has your best interest at heart? And I mean, with so many out there, it's like trying to guess the next market move without any chart analysis. So this brings us to the Forex Funder. So in this review, we are diving deep. We will go over the details from their rules and trading restrictions to how they handle customer feedback and of course their transparency on payouts. So by the end of this video, my goal is to guide you through the noise and help you decide if the Forex Funder is the right fit for your trading journey. Okay guys, so let's get down to business with the Forex Funder and see what they are bringing to the table. First things first, there is the one-step evaluation, and starting with account sizes, the Forex Funder is super flexible, as you can see, offering a variety of options. So whether you're starting with a small $10,000 account or maybe you are aiming with the big leagues with a $400,000 account, I think they have got you covered. Now, talking about the trading period, the good news is that it's completely unlimited for both the TFF Challenge and the TFF Trader, and there are no minimum trading days as well. So now if we take a look at the losses section, with a one-step evaluation, your max daily loss is capped at 400, and that's for a 10K account, but of course that amount varies depending on the account size as well. So what this basically means is that you shouldn't let your equity dip by more than 4% on any given trading day, and they have also set the max total drawdown at 8%. Now the profit target stands at $1,000 for a 10K account, which I think is achievable, and if you pass the challenge you get $155 back. So if we talk about the profits, I can see that they are offering 95 to 5% profit split, which means that you keeping 95% of your profits. So as you can see, the one-step evaluation is pretty straightforward. You trade. If you don't violate any rules, they review it, and if it's all good, you get funded. Now for traders looking to undertake the two-step evaluation, this basic package offers several account sizes, and the options do range from 10,000 account to a whopping $1 million account. I mean, it's quite substantial and impressive what they can offer, because I have never seen any other prop firm doing that. But regardless of the account size you opt for, the trading period offered, I can see, is unlimited. So this means that you are not boxed into a fixed period, which basically grants you that flexibility to trade at your own pace. Now when it comes to minimum number of trading days, we are looking at 0, which further amplifies the freedom that this evaluation offers. However, this freedom does come with certain boundaries to ensure that the risk management is in place. So for example, a 10K account size has a maximum daily loss limit of $500. So this is basically to ensure that on any given trading day, the losses do not exceed this threshold, which basically promotes more careful and strategic trading, which is absolutely logical. Of course, on top of this, the evaluation stipulates a maximum loss of either $1,200 or $1,000, depending on whether you are in the TFF challenge or maybe you are transitioning to a TFF trader. Now, if we take a look at the rapid evaluation, so it's for the traders where they will fund your account after a quick review, if of course you didn't breach any of their rules. So now the amount you can get funded ranges from 10,000 all the way to a 1 million once again. I can see that for both the TFF challenge and verification stages, you have got an unlimited trading period. So once again, you can take all the time you need to pass. But once again, you don't have to trade every single day. So whether you are in the TFF challenge, verification, or TFF trader stage, keep in mind that you cannot lose more than $300 in a day. Otherwise, I think it might spell trouble for your funding. Also, the Forex Funder offers compatibility with both MT4 and MT5, which basically are the most widely used and trusted trading platforms in the Forex market. So moving on, I want to highlight some key trading rules associated with the Forex Funder. So I do see that it is mandatory to set a stop loss on every trade, which I think it's a great rule, but it might be a limitation for some trading styles that traders first might have in their routines. Now, the Forex Funder allows scalping, so it basically giving you that flexibility to benefit from small price movements. And while the Forex Funder does not restrict its trader styles and even allows macroeconomic news trading, however, as you can see, any order placed and closed during high impact news events within 5 minutes before or 5 minutes after can result in account suspension. So it's worth noting that these are just a few of the essential rules, and there is an extensive list with detailed explanations available on their official platform. So I do highly recommend that if you are considering trading with them, you should truly go through all of their guidelines. Now, I think this is the most interesting thing that we will do, so let's go to trustpilot.com. And as you can see, they do have a pretty good reviews, overall 4.2 stars, so it seems like most of the people are happy with them. There is about 13% one-star reviews, which is a little bit higher, I would say, but let's take a look at a couple of them. Now, one thing that stood out while examining the Forex Funder reviews is how they manage feedback from their traders. And I do stand for my belief that the feedback is an invaluable tool for any service-oriented business, and handling it the right way can really set a company apart. Now, upon perusal of their interactions, it's very clear to see that they tend to use template-style response to address different user concerns, and while this might streamline their process, I think adding a more personal touch wouldn't hurt, and it would show their genuine interest in helping traders out. On the other hand, their consistent response to feedback do show commitment from the company, so they aren't ignoring their users, which is always a plus. Furthermore, the Forex Funder, they do seem to actively showcase payout proofs on their Instagram account, which is a positive signal of their transparency. So if you are considering partnering with them, it might be worth checking out their Instagram for any additional insights. So after diving deep and checking things out, I gotta say that the Forex Funder genuinely seems like a solid pick for a prop firm. Their reviews are quite good, their evaluation options are flexible, and honestly, their rules make sense and feel totally doable. So if you're scouting for a prop firm, they might just be worth a shot. But as always, my advice would be just to stay vigilant and take everything with a pinch of salt, because prop firms can come and go, and we have seen instances with what basically happened to my Forex funds. So always remember to conduct your own research and rely on a broad spectrum of sources before making your final decision, because at the end of the day, your financial well-being and peace of mind are worth that extra effort. I hope this video provides clarity on some key aspects of the Forex Funder Prop Firm and assist you in making your final decision. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more insights. Stay safe and happy trading!